Okay, good morning, everybody. ICAR is pleased to join SCRS and BodyShop Business magazine this morning in recognizing the fantastic achievements of several professionals in the collision repair industry. We're here today to honor them and present them with their awards. Yeah, so first we're going to start with our Chairman's Award, and I'm going to turn the stage over to Tim O'Day, who's our board chair right now.
Thanks, John. Thank you. Good morning, everybody. As John said, our first award is a Chairman's Award, which is presented to the individual or organization that has made a significant or extraordinary contribution to the ICAR organization. This prestigious award is selected by the ICAR Executive Committee, and there are only a handful of individuals who have ever received this award, and it's not even necessarily given on an annual basis. This year's Chairman's Award winner has nearly 50 years of experience in the collision repair industry. He currently serves as an executive director of the Collision Repair Education Foundation, as well as chairman of the Certified Automotive Parts Association. During his illustrious career, he's maintained a strong commitment to attracting high-quality technicians to the industry. His career began as a collision repair technician at a major General Motors dealership. He then became co-owner and president of BCP Auto Body, a 4-location collision repair business, before merging his business into True to Form Collision Repair, a chain of 43 collision centers, as executive vice president of sales and marketing. True to Form was later acquired by the Boyd Group, where I had the honor of working directly with him. The next step in his impressive career was to lead CREF. He's held various board seats with CREF, CAPA, ICAR, ASA Collision Division Committee, and also served as president of the Washington Metropolitan Auto Body Association. His industry awards include the ICAR Founders Award and the ASA Special Achievement Award. In addition, he was elected to the Hall of Eagles and named BodyShop Collision Executive of the Year for 1996 by BodyShop Business. Please join me in congratulating the recipient of the ICAR Chairman's Award, Clark Blachinsky. Clark? Clark, it's taken you a long time to get to the stage.
You know, you gave this to me before I could get up these steps in another year. That would have been it.
Congratulations.
It's too good. Who gave you that list? Am I to say something?
Yep.
Okay, you know, I love to get a mic. Always makes me very happy. But this is, when I look at the work we've done with ICAR, my first couple years of being a committee chair in Maryland, some of the divisiveness that was in the community over training or not training, if you look at the schools and the work we've done with the schools over the year, all that fits together nicely. So getting this opportunity after Tim gave me this huge check to say, get the hell out of the industry, and I said, nah, I'm going to hang around for a bit. So leading the foundation, Melissa, stand up for a second, please. Heart and soul of the organization here. She makes every day really easy, and there's no question it's the reason I can still get up the steps. So I appreciate that. Brandon Eckenrode, who's not with us right now, again, those are one heck of a team and one of the reasons I joined. John, my hero, my mentor, he continues to give. Good stuff. But, you know, we're trying to run the organizations like business today, and I think that's been the major differences. We're there today. So thank you all. I appreciate it more than you know. Oh, my God. Yeah, I got some ripples in places you don't know.
Okay. Thanks, Tim. And congratulations, Clark. One more round for Clark, please. Very well deserved. So as some of you know, today is certainly one of my favorite days of the year. Our wonderful industry is filled with many success stories. about people who've not only made their marks, but have fulfilled a commitment to helping others establish their own careers. And now I want to tell you about several individuals I've known for many years who've made truly significant contributions to promoting technical education and professionalism in the collision repair industry. The first award I will be presenting today is the Russ Verona Memorial Award. This award recognizes a business that demonstrates a strong dedication to training and reinforces the positive image of the collision repair industry. Russ Verona was a true pioneer in the collision industry. He owned and operated the very first ICAR Gold Class designated business. Russ was also a mentor, a friend, and a role model. And this award honors his memory and his many contributions to the industry. To even be considered for this award, a business needs to meet two important criteria. First, it must have achieved and maintained ICAR Gold Class designation for at least 5 consecutive years. And second, the business owners and staff must actively promote Gold Class and the importance of training to the collision repair industry. The business that earned the Russ Verona Award this year far exceeds these key criteria and has done so for many years. And I think you'll agree with that once you hear who the winners are. The shop and its owners were selected for the award based on their extensive industry involvement, their dedication to training, and their promotion of career opportunities at schools in and around their local community. The shop has held Gold Class designation since 1996, and its owners aggressively and personally promote their Gold Class status. They have hired students to work in their shop and devote considerable time volunteering on collision committees and boards focused on enhancing the collision repair industry, including, I would say, extensive and ongoing volunteer time with ICAR as well. Both of the owners have also served in many high-level positions throughout the industry, earning numerous awards and accolades over the years. Their list of honors is far too numerous to name. I expect they have a room dedicated to awards at their house. But both of them have a long legacy of service and are members of the Hall of Eagles. So please recognize the 2018 Russ Verona Memorial Award recipient, CarStar Mundelein in Mundelein, Illinois, and its owners, Jeannie and Jeff Silver. Congratulations. Okay, I think I have an award for you. You got it? So I've asked Jeff to stay up here to help me present the next award, which is indeed the Jeff Silver Award. So this award honors our close friend who's really made his mark in our industry over the many, many years. So many of you may remember when Jeff served as CEO of ICAR. He's considered the pioneer of the ICAR Gold Class and Platinum recognition programs. ICAR established this award to maintain Jeff's amazing legacy, a true and deep passion for training and professional growth, by honoring one individual each year with an award in his name. Our Jeff Silver Award recipient literally grew up in the collision repair industry and took over his father's shop. He has continued to build on the success of the business over the past 40 years by focusing extensively on training and education. He is excited by new automotive technology, always eager to learn, and extremely committed to the industry. This individual currently serves as the ICAR chair for Southwest Idaho, is an advisory member of the College of Western Idaho Auto Body Technology Program, and is a member of the Idaho Auto Body Craftsmen Association. He is a strong proponent of continuing education and encourages local students to pursue co-op and full-time positions in his shop. His business has been a gold class recognized shop since 2007, and he was named BodyShop Business Executive of the Year for 2017 in the single shop category. So Jeff, your part.
So I am pleased to announce the well-deserved recipient of the 2018 Jeff Silver Award, Mr. Rick Cope of Cope Collision Center in Meridian, Idaho.
Well done. Okay, now we got to shimmy over. Okay, so that's it for the ICAR Awards. Thank you very much, and thank you to SCRS again.